Welcome, the phone is an ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key. From here, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. Both keys at the same time, so let's do that right now. This will take you to this mode right over here. So using volume up key or down, depending on which one you want to select recovery mode, so it's visible right here, and then confirm it with power key. Give it a second, and this will take you to the recovery mode. Now this mode here is fairly limited, only containing, I believe, like 4 different options, so actually less. So we have Reboot System now, which will take you back to Android. It's basically just leaving this option, same as power off option. Then we can reboot to Bootloader, which will take us back to where we were. Enter fast boot mode, which will boot us into fast boot mode, and also wipe data factory reset, which just performs a reset of the device, removing everything from it. Now whatever you select, you will then confirm it with power key, and you select using volume keys again. So because I want to leave it, I'm just gonna go with Reboot System now, confirm it, and there we go. So let's give it a moment, and it's gonna basically boot back into Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.